Honor Ultra versus Xiaomi 14 Pro. 4K 60 wide angle lens, 0.6 on the Xiaomi and the Honor 0.5. Video stabilization. Let me stop a little bit. Vlogging style, if you want to vlog from those smartphones. This is how it's going to look like. Vlogging. Let me correct. Oh, there it is. Vlogging. Alright. Autofocus in wide angle lens. Available in both of them. Why do you need autofocus for the wide angle lens? For example, if you want to show something in close-up with a lot of details, like this one. Nice. Or just something in close-up. Tons of details. Alright. Main lens. On Xiaomi it's a slider. Autofocus. Quick bokeh effect. It means blur background. I think we have way more blur on the Honor. There you go. Vlogging style, if you want to vlog. Let me stop. Alright. Let's continue. Video stabilization. And let's continue to a Telephoto 2x and 2x 2.6. Let's do 5x and 10x all the way for the Honor, and Xiaomi also 10x. Do you see any difference? And with Xiaomi you can go all the way to 15x. Alright. Front facing camera, full length of my arm, both in 4K 30. Look at the sky, how overexposing the sky is in the Xiaomi. They're both overexposing because the algorithm wants to brighten up my face, but for some reason in Honor my face is brighter and the sky is not that much overexposed. It is overexposed. Do you see the difference? Alright. Autofocus. Available or not available? Wait a minute. Okay, it is available in Honor, not available on Xiaomi. Why do you need autofocus in front facing camera? For example, if I wanted to show a flower. Look how crisp it is. Okay, it's not super crisp, but it is crispier. It looks better, more details on Honor, but it's still not a super macro. Okay, so we do have autofocus in Honor, but it's not great. I mean, you cannot go too close. That's what I meant. Honor is like night vision at night. Wow. Difference.